So you have identified your tasks for today. You checked with whom you are working with. You found the address of the project and other vital information to enable you completing your works for today. And so you did. You will now have to record the amount of hours worked for the project. To do so, you will have to head to Diaries or Timesheets page, depending on how your Compass has been set. Compass can provide several ways of recording your worked hours, and it is heavily dependent on the preference of your organization. We will shortly examine all different scenarios in here, but don't worry if you will come across options not available to you. To begin with, your diaries are separated by dates. In case you have more than one task assigned on a day, those will list under each other. Your hours can be recorded even as start and end time or as total hours recorded for a task. If you will have to pick the hours, simply click the time and pick start and end time. Just notice though that if you will mistakenly book the same time under two tasks, Compass will flag the error and ask you to correct those. Things are simpler when recording your hours as number of hours here. Now, your organization might ask you to record traveling time and breaks, and you can do so from those two drop-down menus if available. Booking is in minutes. As said, in case those are not at your Compass, don't worry, nothing's wrong with your browser. Just your company is not requesting those figures.
Finally, you must add some details of your tasks to be able to submit your diaries. If you want, your diary will show up as a draft.
Now, what if you will head to your diaries only to realize that some of the tasks you have worked with today are not listed? Probably the initial immediate thing to do would be to speak with your manager and ask them to set those tasks for you. However, Compass will allow you to create your own tasks. Simply click Create and fill in the details. You will need to know the project you have worked to along with the relevant task. Then just fill in your hours exactly as you'd be doing in the main page. And you're ready.
There's the option of using the timer as well, which works as a punch card. Once you start working on a task, click the timer. You don't necessarily have to fill in further details at the moment. However, when done with the task, click the timer once again and provide the needed information so that your entry will be submitted.